Hey, what's up, you guys? I wanted to hop on here real quick because I didn't want you to just like start seeing like vacation stuff and being like, girl, you didn't even speak. This is a travel vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I haven't done a travel vlog in a really long time, for obvious reasons. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and the next scenes you finna see. It's not gonna be a long intro. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure your notification bell is on if you want to see content like that, and just watch any of my content. So check that stuff out. Let's go. So you just go down this little corridor, and then this is our room. Thank you, thank you. So this is our closet. It's actually kind of huge, so I don't know if we're gonna hang up our stuff or not, but. And then over here is the bathroom. Nice size shower. And then over here, the mirror, and the toilet. And then you come over here. This is the bed, another full-size mirror. And then over here is like a little sitting area, our TV, the couch, and the patio. Let's see what kind of view it's giving. Oh, it's hot out here. Oh, and you can see the water from here. This is Mars.
Hello.
And KB.
Hello.
So you're gonna see them a lot throughout this vlog.
Why can't you though? Because you need to sleep in the middle of your solid. What's that supposed to be?
That's a technically.
Girl, if you don't pull out that futon, come here.
I don't even think it's a bed under there.
Muy buenas noches, damas y caballeros, bienvenidos una vez más al Teatro de la Casa. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the theater in Manila.
The songs I'm singing, thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without me? I ask in honesty. What would I be without a song? That's what I read. So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me.
So I guess that was a bust. Not y'all trying to look cute and everything.
No, that was horrible.
Not it.
Not it.
10 out of 10 would not recommend.
There was a Forever 21 down there at H&M. Hello. Yeah.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It's day 2 in Mexico.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna try to be more vigilant today. Kamari's gonna hold me to it. Right?
Right.
Alright, let's go down for breakfast, y'all. Ooh, what are you doing? Oh, I thought he was going like an excursion. To get like pricing on excursions and stuff. Y'all ain't seen Korea this morning. Hi. So we're finna go get pricings for like excursions and stuff and see what we're gonna do. Cause like I said, this is just day 2, so we haven't done anything but like the pool. So y'all ain't missed much when I forgot to bring the camera. So. So we finally booked our excursions. Took us what, 2 hours?
Show did.
So we're doing this way. It's left. So we're doing. Why you not in it? So we're doing. Just show my.
She's horrible at this.
So we're doing. What is it? Parasailing today. Speedboat and snorkeling and jet skis. So we got 3 excursions booked. And I think it was like under 200, so it wasn't bad. So we're going back to our room real quick to drop some stuff off, and then we're gonna go to the pool. So that's what's going on, y'all. So that's why you haven't been seeing no footage, because we just been sitting down talking with somebody for 2 hours. Y'all, we off to the pool. Look at us glistening, looking like donuts. So like, ooh, look at the lady way. Look at the lady way, the way. The way, the way. This lady is drunk off her behind. Lady. Now somebody gotta take her to the room because she wanna be drunk off her butt.
There you go. Horsey. Cable bring it right in. Right.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
It is day
3
in Mexico. So we are gonna head down for breakfast. We normally do a buffet for breakfast, and then lunch is a buffet, and then we choose a restaurant for dinner. And then today we have, what's our excursion today?
We are going on a speedboat, and then that speedboat is going to take us snorkeling.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to get some clips and insert them like I did for parasailing. So y'all look forward to that. We'll try to vlog today. We're gonna try to keep it on the topic. All right, y'all, we're finna go ahead to get our COVID swabs done. So I'll let y'all see what's hitting with that. Hopefully it's quick. Is this one?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope that they don't do both nostrils.
I think it is.
Just do one and call it a day. Oh, look at that.
Okay. Hold on.
I know.
Why it's so hard to get out of that from in between your legs?
Strong thighs.
Girl, apparently.
Why do you keep putting it? You can put it between yours.
No, you good.
You should probably start. Put your mask on. You know, you got my mama, little girl. I can do what I want. I'm grown.
Tell them what we headed, KB.
We going snorkeling.
Hey. Come on, Mom. Stay.
How you hit your head?
Cause I didn't know the thing was that low. Oh, you could have got some on that ash on the ankle.
Yes, I'm waiting on the
y'all, we just ready to get in these speedboats. All this little introduction and stuff they trying to do is really blowing me. Like, put me in this speedboat, let me fake snorkel, because if y'all didn't know, I cannot swim. So let go. They got us walking through the things. We sitting on these like rocks right now, and y'all, these rocks are so uncomfortable. So uncomfortable, but it's like shade. So we're waiting for them right now to get us ready so we can get on the speedboats and do the snorkeling. Let me see. Is y'all ready to go?
Yes.
Mars, where you at?
I seen something just bit me.
Ready to get on the speedboat.
Ready.
That's not how you
Yeah, it's not. It's a wheel.
Exactly. Oh, it is? Ready to get on the
So,
That's a jet ski though.
We're
the
not
speedboat is not a jet ski.
Speedboat is a boat. We just want to call
Speedboat,
it speedboat.
jet ski.
Exactly.
KB gonna drive. Going.
Let me drive the boat.
It's hot out here. Show. Oh my goodness. With this thing, KB. How you feel, Mark? Oh, this view is beautiful. Look. Now I can't breathe. Now I don't know how to swim.
I don't know. I was trying to put it over my head.
Now it's too much. Alright, y'all, we finna snorkel. I can't get no footage of that because I can't get my camera wet. But I can show y'all where we finna snorkel at.
How do we go in?
This the mast, like this.
Just jump in.
My head big. Come on, girl. We only got like 35 minutes.
Mari trying to take us out. jumping these waves. Oh my God. Look at the feet. It's the wave.
Oh, come on. Watch that thing.
I see it. Oh my.
Go down.
Korea. Oh my God.
Go down on the curb.
Come on, Chance, get it. Oh, come on, Chance, get it.
Oh my God. Come on. Get in line.
I am in line. That's the people here.
Slow, bro.
Kamari gonna have to pay for this boat. So y'all enjoyed it?
Yes.
The speedboat was very fun.
Yeah.
Speedboating and snorkeling and then speedboat back.
And we actually, I think we saw more with this round of snorkeling than we did the last time.
The last time we saw a whole ship.
Yeah, but we didn't see like a lot of fish and wildlife like we did this time.
Good morning, guys. So it is our last full day. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm finna run into people. It is our last full day in Mexico. So today we are gonna go get breakfast real quick and then run over so we can do our jet skis, which is our last excursion for the trip. And then I guess we just gonna chill. We're gonna have a white night, so we're gonna get all dressed up. Here's the girls. So we're gonna get all dressed up for the white night, and then that's pretty much it. We probably are chilling stuff, but that's on the itinerary for today. And then our flight leaves early tomorrow morning, so. It's been a fun trip so far. I'm glad we was able to get in so many excursions.
Yeah, this is our view at breakfast time. I'm probably not getting the best angle of it. It's so pretty.
There's Mars. Hola. And we decided to sit outside today. our white night. I know I didn't vlog a lot today. The last thing you probably saw was the jet skiing. But we all got dressed, and we're supposed to actually been down in the lobby probably like 5 minutes ago, but we headed down there now. We're finna go to a restaurant, and I just wanted to close out the vlog because I'm not gonna be able to come back to y'all again. We leave out tomorrow. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, all that jazz that, you know, other YouTubers say do that. And I will catch y'all in my next video. I hope y'all like these travel vlogs, and if you did, I'll try to do more for you. Say bye to these two.
Bye.
Peace.